Gotta go to work. So let's begin. All right. If they show up, fine. Not, oh well. All right. So let's see. So where was I? Oh yeah. So talking about this. Oops, this one was out.
By the
Okay.
way, I'm up like 25 pips on that GU.
Oh, nice, 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 nice. By the way, if Anchor Point, oh, can you mute your mic? Who is it? Okay, all right, awesome, thank you. Okay, so GU, right? So you say you're 25 pips, cool. So if they do this, remember 50 to 75 pips, man. On the today, man, you're good, man. Just let it ride. Let it ride if you want, or just add trading stops like this, all right? Every 10 pip or however you want to do it, all right? You'll be all
I
right.
believe that TP is gonna hit.
Yeah, let's hope. Let's hope. However, like I said, remember they can be greedy. So this okay, so this is where we at right now, somewhere around here, right? Somewhere around here. They can do this. And if they fail to take out this area again, and they fail to take out this area again, and this here, and they throw a pin,
Get another entry.
yeah, you can get another entry here, all right? And you'll be safe. And then bam, same thing. Okay,
Got it.
cool. All right.
Wait, so that means it will restart the level, right? It'll be at level 1 again.
If
No.
okay, if you mean if they do this and then they come back here,
Yeah, if they take it out, if they take out the top again.
if they, okay, if all right, so if they come, okay, let's just say they actually burst through here. That's a new level. You expect correction, all right? They'll probably do this, okay, and then they'll drop. But most of the time, it is on a based on a 1, 2, 3 behavior, right?
Yo,
Okay.
it shot down some more just now as we're speaking.
Awesome. Okay, so
35 pips now.
nice. So
Nice,
okay,
nice.
so screw this level then. So it's gonna do this. It's gonna do this, and then stop on high drop, back in consolidation. All right. Okay. All right. So back to what I was saying about that Asian box. All right. So that's why sometimes I don't want you to trade in that box. Okay. So this is why second leg coming from an outside structure high or outside structure low is a lock. Okay. That's why sometimes when they do this is a very risky trade. All right. It is your chances your chances are more higher to get a better. Okay. Let me get some of this off. Your chances of getting a successful trade are much higher on the second leg entry M or W. Okay, this is why I insist in taking second leg M's or W's mostly always. Once you're more advanced, you can take these V's, okay, which I showed on the video on the day one. They can happen, okay. Once you're a master, you can take these, all right. But for now, focus on mastering getting second leg M's or W's, okay. Keeping in mind the take profit areas, like I said, remember water, mayo on reversals, okay? All right, let's continue. We got some more people coming in. Okay. All right, let's keep going. Give me a second. Okay, let's see. I believe I had another question, by the way. Let's see. Oh, okay. The level count, the intraday pushes, and the weekly. I don't think he's here, but I'll still discuss it so you can get on the webinar and watch the recording. All right. Okay. So some of y'all are getting confused. Well, some of you. Well, yeah, some of y'all, I guess. So some of you are getting this confused, right? 1, 2, 3. You're back in the range, right? Okay. You're getting the intradays and the weeklies confused. Okay. Hold on. I'm gonna connect my cellular device so y'all can see what the hell I'm talking about. All right. Give me a second. Give me a second, guys. Why do I see price is currently in a blue box in MT4? Why do I see prices? Oh yeah, it is the Asian. Yeah, it's still the Asian session. Remember how I said that? Remember I just talked about that. I just said sometimes they will complete the pattern in the Asian session. That's why sometimes we miss moves because we usually expect the Asian session to be consolidation, right? However, once you have more experience, you'll start realizing these. You'll start realizing, okay, they're gonna consolidate here, and then they'll probably do this and do that. All right. Oh, I thought Asian is in the morning. Oh, you're good, Mark. You're good. You're good. All right. So let me connect my phone real quick and show you my setup right now. Oops. Okay. Second, guys. Okay. Okay. I'm sure y'all can see my screen now. Oh crap. Okay. Well, anyways. Okay. So I'm gonna show you this. Okay. Okay. So my trend lines are off already because this was supposed to be the anchor point of the week. Remember, I honestly see the levels here better. So if you can see that 1, 2, 3, crazy, huh? It looks better to me on the phone, to be honest. But okay. So anyways, the intraday pushes and the overall trend. Okay. Listen. On this instance, I don't think you're here, but like I said, I'm sorry you're gonna miss this, but okay. On this instance, this is level 3. This can be the anchor point, or if you're just trading intraday, this can be your level 3 chop, all right, or your anchor point. because you know where you are in the cycle, right? False move week beginning. Okay. So intraday, one. So this, people would get confused here. I would count this whole thing as one, okay? Some people count the levels, the consolidation, they count these as one. Okay, that's fine. All right, let me zoom in a little more. Oops. All right, so some people count these as one, all right? I've seen it, okay? I'm glad you said that. Okay, you're good. You're good. March is good. Okay. Anyways, okay. So this gap. Oh, okay, I already talked about this on Sunday, but yeah, they should close this gap, by the way. But okay, so they count this. So 1, 2, 3. Intraday. Intraday. Okay. Intraday is not the same as the overall, which I just said is day 1, day 2, 2.5, right? Remember? The cycle is of 2.5 to 3 days of rise or fall. Okay. So don't get these confused. Okay. The intradays and the weekly. All right. They're different. They're different. All right. Now let's go look here. Let's go look at what happened on day 2. Okay. They chopped here and then they started rising. 1, 2. See, on this instance, they only did 2 intraday. Intraday. How I explained, they won't always give you 3 levels on an intraday, all right? They won't always do that. Best way to count your reason. Okay, yeah, for the intradays, the best way to count them is in the 15-minute chart. And for the, like, let's say, like for this one here, yeah, you can count them in the hour. Okay, let's see. In the hour, all right. See how it looks more leveled? This is how I draw. I know you've seen these pictures before. 1, 2, 3. You see that, right? You see how it's more easier to count them? Yeah, all right. And then you can even use the 4-hour if you want to. However, on this occasion, it looks a little different. It doesn't look all, so this is the same, the anchor point, 1, 2. However, you can only see like 2 levels here. So on this occasion, you can use the hourly chart, all right? Okay. All right. So later on, I'll talk about how the day chart gives the same freaking patterns. But I'll show you just a little bit. See how this is kind of this, by the way, I'm sure y'all know what this was. This was what is it called? Brexit? Yeah, Brexit. Drop price, the help down, right? Level 3, right? Or wherever we are in the cycle. I'm not sure this is level 3, but it looks like it to me. But look how the pins to the bottom side. And then they got the hell out of there as soon as they touched this area. Look what's it doing. 1, possibly go somewhere around here 2. But since this is a larger time frame, it may bounce off of here and then come back down. But my point is, that the patterns present themselves on the larger time frames. Okay? All right. So look at I think someone had a question on UCAD. Oh yeah. Now I know. So someone had a had an issue with UCAD that they had said that they counted 3 levels and it pushed up one more time. Okay. So when you see this in the 15-minute chart, you see this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're like, what the hell? But I thought Cash said it has to be only 3 or 4, right? So remember, for the bigger time frame, for the bigger picture, use the 1 hour or the 4 hour. Okay. So W 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So yes, whoever had told me that they rose for 4 levels, you are right. They threw a pin down here, up here, and then they started doing this. However, this railroad tracks on the hour is very concerning. Looks like they're gonna hold the level for, I don't know when oil news comes out. I think it's tomorrow or Thursday. I don't know. I don't know what day is it, but looks like they're gonna hold the level. All right, hold the level. I mean that they're gonna come down up here and probably play around this area. Same things apply, right? If they fail to take out this area, gold, you short it. If price breaks here, don't even mess with this pair. Don't even touch it. Look for another pair. Trust me, there's more. All right, there's more. There's more. But yeah, so this is UCAD. Let's see, Euro GBP. Okay, so the same thing. All right. Let's see. When was August 18th? Oh no, this was like what, like Thursday. Okay, so like they completed the pattern. They came here and then they started dropping one. Excuse me. Big fat W here on the Mayo on the hour. Gold. Take it. Look at the 4 hour and see if it looks better. There we go. I can count them like this. 1, 2. All right. Some people may not see it. You're like, what the hell? You're making things up. But okay. So you could do this too. 1, heading to 2, and then 3, and then possibly do this, and then come back up again. All right. Because this is an overall uptrend. All right. This is all an overall uptrend. Okay. We're probably going to do this and then come right back up. All right. Euro. Oh, Euro USD. Okay. Same thing. See how, okay, so I'm gonna talk a little about fractional disparity again real quick. See how kind of it looks the same as GU? So 1, 2, and then this aggressive move, level 3. Remember level 3 behavior, level going into level 3, they will drop price massively. W, anchor point of the week, taking it here. You could have swing traded this 1, 2, 3. All right, big fat M again. Okay, now let's look at the hour. This whole thing looks like a fat M, by the way. Right? But yeah, so the level counts again. 1, possibly go down here. 2, and because this is an overall uptrend, it will possibly do this and come right back up again. Okay? Simple stuff, guys. Simple stuff. But I want you to not be scared to trade both sides. I don't want you to be scared to trade. But what I mean by that, I don't want you to be scared to trade these or like this. And then you see this. I don't want you to be scared. Take. I know it's against the trend overall. But from what I've taught you, you know this is gold for a good pips, at least 100. Okay? Don't be scared. Trade both sides, buy and sell. Don't be scared of these guys. Okay? All right. Okay. Looks like that's it for now. Did anyone have any questions? Did I cover the anchor points, the pivots? I think someone wanted me to give them like what to look for in a trade. I think I said it on the day 3 video, but I'll write it down if you want, and I'll send you like a note, like a notes on my iPhone or something. Okay, so you can just screenshot that and have that whenever you take a trade. Okay, is that cool?
Sounds good.
Okay. Anyone had any other questions? Let's see. Oops. Oh my. I did write them down too, but just wanted to make sure there was anything else that we check. Okay. All right. Why you're training? Yeah. Thanks, guys. Thanks. Okay, so I'll write that down then. Okay, guys. Well, I think this is it. I'll see y'all for tomorrow's webinar. If you have any questions or something you want me to cover specifically that you still don't understand or having struggling or you're struggling with, let me know. Okay, this is why I'm here. Now that I'm done with your 3 days, I just still looking. Yes, start looking at the charts. Start trying to apply what you learned. Okay. Just start trying. Yeah. Cool. Thanks, Gio. Thanks, everybody. Thank you. I really appreciate it. All right, guys. Everybody have a good night, okay?
All right, thanks, Cash.
All right. Good night.
Oh yeah, about that pivots thing, okay?
Okay. All right.
Well, thanks.
Mm-hmm.